Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using Revolut. Revolut, accessible at revolut.com/en-gb, is a financial technology company offering a range of services, including a multi-currency account, debit card, peer-to-peer payments, and cryptocurrency trading. Navigating to their website, you'll find a sleek, modern interface designed for ease of use. Their primary offering, the multi-currency account, allows users to hold and exchange money in numerous different currencies, often at competitive exchange rates, making it a potentially attractive option for international travelers or those dealing with foreign transactions regularly. They also provide a linked debit card that can be used globally, simplifying spending while abroad. Beyond traditional banking features, Revolut also offers peer-to-peer payments, enabling quick and easy money transfers to friends and family, both domestically and internationally. Furthermore, for those interested in the world of digital assets, Revolut provides a platform for buying, selling, and holding various cryptocurrencies. The platform aims to streamline financial management by consolidating these diverse functionalities into a single, user-friendly application. While the specific features and fees can vary based on the chosen plan, which range from free to premium options, Revolut positions itself as a modern alternative to traditional banking institutions. They frequently update their services and introduce new features, striving to remain at the forefront of the fintech industry. Users can choose the plan that best suits their needs and budget, potentially accessing benefits like travel insurance, airport lounge access, and higher withdrawal limits with the more premium offerings. In essence, Revolut offers a comprehensive suite of financial tools designed for today's globalized world, all accessible through their website and mobile app. Remember to check out the links in the description for more information and to explore Revolut's services yourself.